There's my salad, just a winter salad. My own lemon, my own parsley, my own garlic, and these puppies were flown in just for moi. Yeah. And they're in rolling boil. Well, I'll probably even been there 10 minutes or so. But yeah, so that's a lot of fun. And here's some biscuits. We made some biscuits, my friend and I, and so that'll be pretty cool. And the lobster, well, I think he died right away from the heavy boil, you know. The heavily salted water too. Gotta look it all up. How long? 12 minutes? Yep. Yep, about 12 minutes. So, yeah, get up and get some lobster.